Okay guys, today I show you how I went to go and do installation, or how to go and unbox and then mount a 65 inches Samsung television. So as you can see there, after mounting this particular, the wall mount, everything been done successfully. Something that I want you to take note of is going to help you a lot, because if you are going with this particular wall mount, I'll urge you to have a second thought, get a more bigger one, because what I observed was that the screws that holds the other metals to the television, they were short. So I had to go outside. Luckily on my part, I had to go where I went and had it, but you may not be lucky to get it. So I'm making this video just to remind you that if you happen to be called by a customer to come and install a 65 inches television, take note that the mount I'm using there gave me a lot of issues, because I had to go outside to go and look for the screws that will hold the bar or the metal to the back of the television. So as I said, I was lucky enough to get it around that particular place. So I'm making this video to remind you, or for you to take notes when you are going to mount a 65 inches television, this particular type. Make sure that you go with other screws that will hold the metals to the back of the LMB. There should be at least like 4 or 3 centimeters, because the one that comes with the mount, they were very short. They were very short, that I couldn't get the exact measurement. So I had to go outside. As I said, I had to go outside to go and look for those screws. So this video is just to remind you, or for you to just take notes when you're going to mount this particular type of television for a customer. So guys, I hope this video has helped you. If it's helped, please share so that you may help others too who may find themselves in this situation. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, share, comment, pick this number. If you have any concern, just WhatsApp me or call me if you're in Ghana, and I'm ready to give you a helping hand. Thank you very much for watching, and I see you all another time. Goodbye.